Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. 12th Physics, Chapter number 1, Electric Charges and Fields. Here we will discuss most important question of this chapter. Explain vector form of Coulomb's law. Dear students, last time we explained scalar form of Coulomb's law. In terms of example, it is most important question, but in terms of theory, this is most important question. So vector form of Coulomb's law. This is the simple situation, simple figure of this question. Here we have two electric charge Q1 and Q2. Okay, so these are 2 point-like stationary charges. This is our origin. With respect to origin, position vector of first charge is vector r1, while with respect to origin, position vector of second charge q2 is vector r2. So now this is q1 charge, this is q2 charge. First of all, we consider force acting on q1 by q2. Its direction is F12. Clear? Left side. While force acting on q2 by q1 is vector F21 and its direction is right side. Description of figure. As shown in figure, consider 2 point-like stationary charges. Here we consider point-like stationary charges q1 and q2 having position vectors vector r1 and vector r2 with respect to origin. So this is our origin. With respect to origin, position vector of q1 is vector r1, and with respect to origin, position vector of q2 is vector r2. Now, according to scalar form of Coulomb's law, so here we use equation of scalar form of Coulomb's law. F is equals to k q1 q2 upon r square. Now here we have two situations. Number one, first situation, the electric force on q1 charge due to q2 charge is given by. So first of all, we consider force on q1 by q2. Okay, force on q1 by q2 is given by vector F12. Force is vector quantity and here we use its direction. That's why we use vector form. Vector F12 is equals to k q1 q2 upon r12 square. Here 12 represent force on first by second into r cap 12. This is your first equation. Clear? So here force acting on first by second F12 is equals to k q1 q2 upon r12 square into r cap 12. Now what is r cap 12? R cap 12 is nothing but it is called unit vector. This is known as unit vector, and remember its equation. R cap 12 is equals to vector r12 upon its magnitude, means only r12. Now what is vector r12? Vector r12 means displacement vector, and it is given by vector r1 minus vector r2 upon r12. So this is your first situation. Now similarly here we explain second situation. Now next situation, consider opposite direction of force. Now the electric force acting on q2 charge due to q1 charge is given by, here we consider force on q2 by q1. So it is given by vector F21 force on 2 by 1. That's why we use symbol vector F21 is equals to kq1 q2 upon r21 square into r21 cap. Now again r21 cap, this is unit vector and it is given by vector r21 upon only r21. Now vector r21 is displacement vector. It is given by vector r2 minus vector r1 upon r21. We have first equation, force on first charge by second charge, vector f12. We have second equation, force on second by first, that is vector f21. If we compare these two equations, okay, from equation number 1 and 2, we can say that vector f12 is equals to minus vector f21, means both forces are equal in a magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, this is given in this figure. The direction of f12 is left side while direction of f21 is right side, totally opposite direction. Okay, but they are equal in magnitude, so we can say that Coulomb's law agrees with third law of Newton of motion. Okay, so Coulomb's law agrees with Newton's third law of motion. Now remember one more point, if q1 and q2 both are like charges, suppose both are positive or both are negative, so repulsive force is produced between them, and this figure represent repulsive force because direction of f12 and f21 are away from each other. Okay, and if q1 and q2 both are unlike charged particle, okay, if q1 is positive and q2 is negative, okay, so attractive force is produced. In this situation f12 and f21 both are acting towards each other. Okay, so remember this question, this is most important question of this chapter. Clear? Prepare this question very well. Prepare equations of f12 f21 and its equation of unit vector also. Thanks.